we now have our opening prepped, right? We're ready, got it wide open, we're ready to install that window. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get right in there and we're going to do some sealing, right? As the written instructions say. Then we're going to, oh, that's right, we need to reverse shim at the bottom. That's where you got to get into what types of shims are you using, because it matters, especially at the sill. Because if you're going to break out and you get right into these wood shims, hey, they're nice and economical, right? But what happens when you put wood into water? It soaks it up, right? It's a sponge, it's a straw, right? It's gonna suck up that water because you're managing water down. You got, oh, your weatherboard fashion, it's coming down. It's going right to your pan, and you just put a sponge right in that pan. Underneath, so you got a wood window on top of a wood shim, so you got a sponge and a straw. It's gonna wick that water right up because wet goes to dry. So it's literally gonna soak that right up. So these will wick water and they will expand and contract. How about switching over to composites? So you still want a wedge shim, but it's a composite shim. So when you're talking about put a composite shim at the bottom, it doesn't wick water and it doesn't expand and contract. So this is the shim that you should be using underneath your window to use as your reverse on your bevel cedar siding, because you got a positive slope to the exterior. You're gonna take your positive slope and you're gonna put that right there, and now you evened out that sill. Now you got a flat sill for your window to be installed on.